everyone. So we have a new strategy to work on today. And this strategy is called simplifying. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at an equation like this. And you might think, whoa, 2 plus 13 plus 2. Okay. Might be a tricky one to add together. So what we're going to do is I think there are two numbers here that you can add together really easily. Which are those two numbers that you just know in your head and you don't have to do anything? 2 plus 2, right? What's 2 plus 2? That makes 4, right? So here's what I'm going to do on my paper. Or on my board. I'm going to say 2 plus 2, and I'm going to take these two, and I'm going to put a 4. Okay? And I can cross them off because I already used those. And then I can rewrite my equation. I have to bring the 13. Did I use that one yet? No, so I'm going to bring that down. And now my new equation is 4 plus 13. And now we have a strategy for that we've practiced before. It's counting on. So put the bigger number in your head, 13. We're going to add 4. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Let's try another one together. Okay? You can do this. It makes an equation that might look a little overwhelming. It makes it a little bit easier. Let's do, let's see, 4 plus 2. Okay, 4 plus 2 plus 16. Which two numbers are easiest for you to add together first? 4 and 2? What's 4 plus 2? Okay, so I'm going to put that right underneath. And we know we added these two already, so we can cross them off. Then we'll bring the 16 down. And then we have a strategy for this one, right? Okay, put 16 in your head. 16, add 6. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Now there might be some times when you want to add, it could look like this. Let's see. 3 plus, or here, let me change this for a second. Let's do a 1. Okay, you might have an equation that looks like this. You might say, oh, I can add 1 and 15 really easily. If you can do that, then go ahead. 15 plus 1 is, just add 1, right? 16. Cross these off, bring down the 4. 16 plus 4, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So when you have 3 numbers that you're adding together, look for 2 that would be easy for you to add together first. Okay, add those together, and then you can rewrite your equation with your new number from the 2 you added together, plus the third number that's left over, and then add those 2. Okay, so this is called simplifying. You're simplifying it, taking it from a 3-part equation to a 2-part equation. So it takes 2 steps. Do some adding first, right? And then you're going to do some adding again. But each time you're just adding 2 numbers together, which might be easier than adding 3 all at once. So here's what you're doing today. Let me move this out of the way. And you might remember doing hot chocolate math last year, but this is a new version of it. So you have all these hot chocolate cups with these equations on them. And I want you to see on yours, this will be a little bit different. The equations are written here on the bottom, and then you can write your new equation up right above it. I don't know why I did them on the bottom, but for some reason I thought I'd do them on the bottom and leave space up above for the new equation. So I just showed you doing it underneath, but you'll just do your new equation on top. So pick 2 numbers to add together, add those together, and then rewrite the new equation up on top. Okay? So what you're going to do is add all of those, and hang on one second because I have the wrong paper sitting here in front of me. You're going to use this paper, there it is, these have the marshmallows, and there is one extra, so you can do whatever you want with that extra marshmallow. But what you'll need to do is cut out these marshmallows and match them to your hot cocoa cups. So let me show you. I'll just cut one out. And I'm not really going to add the numbers together because I want you to have a chance to do that. But you can cut them out either like in the squares, or you can cut out the marshmallows. That's a little bit trickier. But you're going to add this one together and then find the marshmallow that matches it. Say this is the right marshmallow, which it's not. I'll give you that hint right now. You would just glue it. You're going to use your glue and just glue it on there. And then you have a marshmallow in your hot chocolate. Okay? So you're going to do that with each of these. Add them together. Solve it. Find the marshmallow that matches. Add it on. Okay, so remember, this strategy is called simplifying. So you're going to simplify the equation. You're going to take it from a 3-part addition, something plus something plus something, 3 add-ins, and you're going to take it into a 2 add-in problem. Okay, you're going to do like something plus something. And then find the answer, the sum. Remember, the answer in addition is called the sum. That's the sums are on the marshmallows. Match the sum to it. Glue it on. I know you can do this. You have impressed me day and day and day after day with your addition skills and your math skills this year. So I know this is something you'll be able to do. And it's fun too. Hot chocolate. Okay. Get to work and have fun. I'll see you later.